Journal. Therefore, a journal is a professional publication associated with an official organization. A journal must have a research-oriented contributed papers, which is actually maintained by an official organization. A journal must contain a history of reputable research and documentation. That is very important. Therefore, a magazine is something you can pick up on the rack at the bookstall or a grocery store. Like Kumudam Kalkanda, Anand Vigadan, Junior Vigadan, everything is called as a magazine, which is not considered as a journal. What is the difference between the journal article and other articles? The journal article is also called as AKA, means also called as research article. You can use the acronym AKA in your thesis also. That's why I inform here I am using AKA. In your thesis, in your paper, you can use the acronym AKA. Therefore, an article is a professional in a professional journal that outlines the research an individual performed about a particular topic. An individual research-oriented contribution is written by using a format that the paper which is written by using this requirement of the journal format, the paper is published by the professional organization. Okay, now we come to the journal requirements. What is the journal requirement? Suppose if you want to publish your article in any journal, in that journal, what you want to check? What is the checking list before submitting your articles into a particular journal? First, you have to understand or verify whether the journal have ISSN number or not. Okay, one point. Another one point is whether the journal is printed version or online version and peer-reviewed journal, or both online and print version. You have to check it out. Then number of issues per year. How much issues, the frequency of publication. How much issues per year. You have to choose at least one issue per month. Like that, any journal have precaution, that is frequency, publication frequency with 1 month, one journal, one issue. Then only you can choose that particular journal, because which speed up your publication. Then you have to find out whether the journal is paid journal or unpaid journal. Then whether review period, how much time. In many of the Elsevier journal and Springer journal, IOS Press journal being standard reputed journals, in all the standard reputed journals, they have printed in the article itself, article receiving date, reviewed date, accepted date, published date, everything is given clearly. From the article received date to publication date, what is the difference? Time duration, you can find out. The review period, this is the point. Then what are the indexing services available in a particular journal? You have to find out. Indexing services. What is indexing service? At least Google Scholar indexing service is available in any kind of journal, then you can submit. Otherwise, it's not necessary to submit your papers in any journals. The second one is DOI number. For each and every article, we must have some DOI number, digital object identifier. If any journal must have digital object identifier, then the journal is best journal. Then Scopus indexing, you know that very well. SCI, Science Citation Index. DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals. Because in That is, if any journal which have indexing service in DOAJ, then all the articles published in the particular journal are openly, freely you can download. That's why this DOAJ indexing service is available. Or any journal article is not open access, which is available in the open access DOAJ indexing service. You can go to the doaj.org website, find your article, you can easily freely download. This is another one point. Therefore, there are minimum 4 or 5 indexing services. If any journal contains, then you can choose that particular journal, otherwise leave the journal. Now we want to discuss about what is ISSN number, International Standard Serial Number. It is a unique number. It is a unique number which contains 8 digits. It is a unique number which contains 8 digits. That number is used to identify a print or electronic periodical publication. There are 3 kinds of ISSN number. One is print ISSN and another one is eISSN, that is online ISSN, and CD ISSN. Most of the journals nowadays are eISSN, 100% journals. No, 95% journals are eISSN journals. Some of the 5% of journals are print only. There is no eISSN, only printed journals only. There is no online publication. For example, many of the UGC care list of journals are printed version, not online version. That we will discuss later. CD ISSN is also available. Okay. Then what is called as ISSN? You have to find the 8-digit number. In this 8-digit number, the first letter, how to verify the ISSN number is correct or not. The check digit is 7. Last digit is the check digit. Okay. There is an algorithm to calculate the check digit. The first number into 8 is the standard number. Second number into 7. Third number into 6. Fourth number into 5. Fifth number into 4. Sixth number into 3. Seventh number into 2, which is equal to 147. This 147 is divided by 11, the standard number 11, which is equal to 13. Remainder is 4. This 11 minus the remainder 4 is 7. If it is true, then this ISSN number is correct. Otherwise, the ISSN number is not correct. Therefore, 7 is the check digit. An uppercase, suppose if 11 minus 1, then which is 10 in the place of 7. If you find 10, then how this ISSN number is? Sir, that is X. 10 is entered as X. So the same number we can verify in the journals. The same number we can verify. Okay. How we can verify the same number? I am given the list. International Journal of Computing Algorithm 2278-2397. Here, this journal contains DOI, Digital Object Identifier. Always the digital object identifier start with the number 10 dot and then region. First 2 digits are region and the last 3 digits are area, state, like, and then IJCOA is the next, the journal name. So this is the important point, how to check up whether the journal have ISSN number, that whether the ISSN number which contains a journal is perfect or not. You can find any journal whether the indexing service is available or not. So like you can find out the indexing services. Okay. Next, we want to discuss about what is indexing service and abstracting service. An abstracting service is a service that provides abstract of publications. Mostly in Springer, Elsevier, and other Oxford University Press journals, InterScience journals, ACM journals, and IEEE journals, they have published your articles openly with your abstracts. Any paper must have abstract. The abstracting service is not available in a particular journal means then they never display your paper abstract in their main website itself. But indexing service is entirely different. Only some kind of indexing services available, Google Scholar, Scopus, SCI, these are all available. Okay, that is entirely different from abstracting. If any journal must have abstracting service, means your article with your abstract should be displayed at when you see your article in the particular journal's website. If your abstract is not displayed in the journal's website, then the abstracting service is not available in the particular journal. This is the concept. Then what is indexing service? There are various indexing services are available. DOI is one of the indexing service. Scopus is one of the indexing service. And DOAJ is one of the indexing service. There are various indexing services are available. Okay. These indexing services are used for what purpose means? We can easily download your papers based on your keyword that is given in your paper. Based on your keyword which is given in your paper, the indexing services are used to extract your paper, particularly whether your paper is actually indexed by using your keyword or not in the particular journal. Not only in the particular journal, if you that is, if you download, search your journal in Google Scholar, then your paper must be available. Okay. Therefore, indexing and abstracting service is a service that provides shortening or summarizing of documents and assigning of descriptors for referencing documents. Easily refer your papers, the indexing services are mostly used. There are various popular indexing services are available. That is Scopus, Web of Science. The Web of Science is also called as Web of Knowledge. This Web of Science is previously maintained by Thomson Reuters companies. The Thomson Reuters company is nowadays called as Clarivative Analytics, clarivativeanalytics.com. And Scopus indexing service is maintained by Elsevier Publications. Other than this very famous two citation indexing services, one of the indexing service, Indian Citation Index, also available in India. All these indexing services are used for what purpose? Means for information retrieval. That is, I am already given. If you search your title of your paper is entered in the Google Scholar.com, your paper must appear first easily. For that purpose alone, that indexing service is available. There are various abstracting and indexing databases are available. SCI, SCIE, SSCI, Arts and Humanities Citation Index, Scopus, CiteSeerX, Google Scholar, Web of Knowledge, Thomson ISI, Index Copernicus. The slide is prepared more than 7 years before. The recent indexing services are not included by me. 2013 I prepared this slide only, not all the slide. Okay. So ASCII database, ACM Digital Library, EBSCO, in all libraries, in our college also EBSCO library is available. IIT journals, these are all some journals indexing services are available. Okay. But our university, not only our university, all the universities in India compulsory requires, if UGC indexed, UGC care list of journals. You want to publish at least 2 articles in UGC care list of journals. You have to publish at least 2 articles in UGC care list of journals for science peoples, for arts and humanities peoples. At least 1 UGC care list of journals you want to publish. How to find the UGC care list of journals, sir? Just wait. You know this, or you don't worry about it. Just you go to in the search place. Just wait, because I am just entering into Google. In Google, search for UGC care list journals. Just you type ugc.ac.in journal list. Here you can download the UGC care list of journals by clicking this. But it is not possible to download any journal list. You must require login ID. I already created my login. So I entered by using my login. Okay. You can go to UGC care list of group 1, UGC care list group 2, here or here. If you go to this website, you can get UGC care list of journals group 1. These are all UGC care list of journals group 1. Okay, sir. Now you have to go to this, just press this UGC care list of journals. Just wait, because it will go to some other places. Okay, now that now I want to share this slide. Now you can see here UGC care list of journals here. Group 2 is Web of Science, all journals. Science Citation Index, Social Science Citation Index, Arts and Humanities, Scopus. All this list of journals are UGC care list group 2. Now you can search here. Once again, I want to share, stop sharing, and if you once again search, if you do search, you can get what? Sciences 304 journals, Social Sciences 293 journals, Arts and Humanities, Multidisciplinary and Indian languages. Now I want Sciences journals. Once again I stop and share my screen. Here you can see very easily all these science journals. Okay, here you can very easily see the all science journals. Okay, we can search any journal. Suppose if you want to find out Agricultural Science Digest, just you press view in this. that entire journal should be, information should be viewed in front of you. Okay, this is the method for finding journals. This is the method for finding journals. You can verify many journals are available. That is all these. That is for how much? For the 400 and 432, 422 journals. All these journals are available elsewhere also. Okay. Every page 10 journals, big data and society, Sage publications. You don't choose Sage publications because they require €1,000, $1,000. It's not possible. Index and Scopus and Web of Science. Sometimes Sage publications require $2,000 for your articles. It's not possible. I will inform later what are the different kinds of articles. There are various journals. If you want to publish, that is different kinds of journals, you can search here. For example, Indian Journal of, there are various Indian journals are available. International journals are available. Okay, International Journal of Applied Nonlinear, or this is International Journal of Applied Logistics. If you want, you can view this. If you press, then this link drives you to that particular journal. So this is the way of finding the UGC referred journal. You have to mind it. Okay. Now, the next. So you can find out, just you type in the Google search bar, UGC care list of journal, but without creating your login by entering your mail ID is not possible. One point. Next, what is Scopus indexed journals? Scopus indexing is one of the very famous database repository which contains more than 40,000 journals, which contains more than 40,000 journals. How you can download the Scopus indexed journals, sir? Yes, you can go to the scopus.com. Okay, just you have to go to the scopus.com. In the Scopus, this is not available. Just wait. Just you go to the scopus.com. Something happened, not possible to retrieve. We will explain. I will explain later whether it is possible or not. Whether my screen shared the screen. What is Scopus?
Yes,
Anybody?
sir. Yes, sir. Scopus screen said this, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. Why that Scopus is not open? Okay. I will this is not available. Okay, I will explain next. Now next you have to find out what is Scopus index journal. Just I explain here itself, now itself. In scopus.com you can went and journal search in the lower left corner of the Scopus database. There is a link available, Scopus source list. That list is downloaded and you can find out very easily. That's all. Next, what is Scopus? In Scopus, more than 40,000 journals are available. How many? What is the 16 million other profiles are available? 70,000 main institutional profiles are available. Everything is carried out very easily. Next, what is Web of Science? What is Web of Science? The Web of Science is the number one database indexing service which is maintained by Clarivate Analytics company. Already which is maintained by Thomson Reuters company. Most of the journal articles published in Web of Science are mostly appreciated by many of the universities in the world. Okay. In Web of Science category of journals must have five types of indexing services. The Clarivate.com, ClarivateAnalytics.com or Clarivate.com, both are same. Arts and Humanities Citation Index, SCIE, SSCI. Now this Emerging Sources Citation Index. This SCIE, before that SCI, Science Citation Index, extended version of the SCI is SCIE. Okay. Now what is this Emerging Sources Citation Index? The first citation in metrics JCR report not yet published because this Emerging Sources Citation Index is introduced in 2019, January. 2019 and 2020, they have the publishing period, and then 21 monitoring period. 22 January or February alone, the first citation index, the citation index of the journals which are indexed in ESCI is published. You have to mind it. Okay. Now, therefore, next category is how to improve your citations, H index and I10 index of research article. Okay. What is citations? What is H index? Next we want to read out. What is I10 index? How to increase citation of your paper? How to increase H index and I10 index of your paper? Your database, everything we will discuss. What is RCID ID? These things. Now you have to understand this. What is citations? Already we discussed about more enough the citations. What is H index, sir? What is a impact factor? That we will discuss later. Before that, what is H index? What H index is introduced by E. Hertz. What is the meaning of the H index? H of your paper published H times, H of your paper published H times each. Therefore, your H index is H. H of your paper referred by H peoples, H times each. Therefore, your H index is H. What is, sir? A scientist has a H index, H. Of his papers have at least H citations, each paper. Each and every. You have only 10 papers published. Your H index is 2. Minimum 2 papers are referred by 2 peoples each paper. First paper must be referred by 2 times. Second paper must be referred by 2 times. This is the H index. So the H index is very, very important. I will explain what is H index by means of this one live example. Then what is I10 index? The I10 index is 15 of your papers are referred by minimum 10 peoples each and every paper. Therefore, your I10 index is 15. What is, sir? I don't understand. For the verification purpose, you can see here. My Google Scholar site is referred. Can you visible my screen? Is it visible?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is my Google Scholar website. My H index is 17. I-10 index is 26. How my site H index is 17? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17. 17 of my papers are referred by minimum 17 peoples. This paper is 17 times. Sir, another one paper 17 is available. If it is referred by another one peoples, therefore my H index is converted into 18. Okay, so this is not considered. Up to this 17 papers are minimum 17 peoples are referred. This paper is referred by 19 peoples. This paper is referred by 20 peoples and got like that. So 17 of my paper referred by 17 peoples each paper. That is, therefore my H index is 17. Okay. Then what is I-10 index? My I-10 index is 26. Up to this 17, 18, 19, 20, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This is not. So 26 papers, 26 of my papers are referred by 26 papers, each paper 10 times, 10 peoples. Therefore my I-10 index is 26. This is the simple calculation. Okay. So you can very easily find out what is the H index and I-10 index. Okay. Now next. You know that very well now. What is H index and the site index? Okay. Suppose if you want to increase your H index, citation of your papers, how, sir? First decide the title of your paper. I already informed yesterday itself. Your title is unique in the worldwide. Your paper must appear in the search engine. So the proper title will leads you for many citations. Then prepare using the perfect keywords. Perfectly you have to use keywords. Whatever your keywords which are available in your paper, which are most suitable for your domain. That is the very important point. Next, choose the journal to publish. Whether you want citable journal or impact factor journal. I want only citable journal, not impact factor journal. It's my suggestion. What is citable journal, sir? If you publish your papers in ABC journal, for example, ABC journal. If you publish your paper in the ABC journal, the ABC journal is referred by many peoples around the world. Therefore, that journal is citable journal. Most of the elsewhere IEEE and Springer journals are not citable journals because downloading the papers which are available in elsewhere Springer and InterScience and iOS Press journals and IEEE journals require money for downloading the papers. So it's not possible, easy to find out. So citable journals are open access journals are citable journals. Why the journals are called as citable journals means your papers are easily read and downloaded by many people. So they use your paper for their reference. Therefore, that kind of journals are called as citable journals. Next, decide citable journal or impact factor journal. Answer for this already informed. Therefore, find a suitable journal which comprises with the above 4 items. Then after journal publication, export your paper via social networks. If you publish your paper in the particular journal itself is not enough for your paper is referred for the reference of your paper by many people is not enough. Only your paper is available in any journal. You have to upload your papers, export your paper to many social networks. What are the ways social various social networks are available? Number one social network is researchgate.net. Okay. After publishing, uploading your paper in various kinds of social network, so you have to monitor whether your paper is identified by many people or not. Then update your information, including your biography in social network. Then only your papers are easily accepted by many people. Automatically, your H index will improve. If all these are done by you, then automatically your H index will improve. Okay. To answer this, boosting your H index, collaborate with more mature researchers. You must have some collaboration with highly knowledgeable persons. Research has shown that papers with famous first authors get more citations. Choose your journal carefully. Publish open access journals. Think about your audience who read your papers. Network. That means network means you can publish, you can upload in various kinds of network which are openly and freely available in the world. Show up on your social media. Your papers. What are the different kinds of social media and social networks are available in order to publish your research papers? LinkedIn.com, Arcid.com, ResearchGate.com, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Mendeley. Except this Live DNA, Crew Kudos, PubMed. These are all available. If I want to say, this will take more time. So you have to upload all your papers to sites. Okay. What is now we are coming into the part of the journal impact factor. What is journal impact factor? I already informed you SCI, SCIE, SSCI, AHCI, ESCI. This is new. First citation index is not published. These indexing services are maintained by Clarivate Analytics company. Every year they publish the JCR report, journal citation reports by Clarivate Analytics company. Okay. Now what is called as impact factor? Impact factor of an academic journal is a measure reflecting the average number of citations to recent articles published in the journal. Average number of citations by the recent articles published by in the journal. That is called as impact factor. The impact factors are calculated every year, yearly once, for those journals which are indexed in the journal citation reports, that is, which are indexed in the Clarivate Analytics by these 5 citation indices. If these 5 citation indices are available in a particular journal for indexing service, as a indexing service, then only impact factor is available. Most of your Indian journals are Google Citation Index, GIF, Google Impact Factor is available. That is not considered as a impact factor. GIF is not considered as a impact factor by the UGC. You have to mind it. Okay. How we can understand the impact factor? Calculation of IF. What is, sir? Calculation of IF. Okay. Impact factor. Now you find out the impact factor of a particular journal in 2012 is A by B. What is A? What is B? A equal to the number of items that articles published in 2010 and 2011 in the journal. In a particular journal, the total number of journals published in a particular journal in 2010 and 2011. which are cited by indexed journals during 2012. What is, sir? In 2011-12, for example, ABC journal articles which are published in 2010 and 11. The ABC journal which have publication 500 publications totally, that is in 2010 and 2011 the ABC journal publishes 500 articles. Out of these 500 articles, that is B, total number of citable items. B, citable items are usually articles, reviews, adala vittrunga, that is not considered. Total number of papers published in 2010 and 2011 are 500, for example, in ABC journals. Out of these 500 journals referred by other peoples in 2012, except 2010 and 11, that is A. Therefore, A divided by B. Only 4 papers are referred by others which are published in 2010 and 11 out of 500 papers. Therefore 4 divided by 500 is the impact factor for 2012. This is the metric for the impact factor. Is it possible? So impact factor of 2017 of a journal is equal to citation, total number of citations of 2017 of 2015 and 16 number of articles. Citations of 2017 of articles of 2015 plus 2016 divided by total number of articles. This is the impact factor. It is not possible, easily understand. Okay, now we coming into the part of the impact factor journal list. How we can find out impact factor journal lists are very easy. Clarivate Masters journals list in clarivate.com. If you go to enter into clarivate.com, Masters journal list, MJL means Masters journal list. Master journal list is available. Just you click it, you can download very easily the impact factor journal list. Okay. Then other indexing services, DOI, Digital Object Identifier. What is this? DOI, sir? The Digital Object Identifier is one of the very famous indexing service company. The original website of this indexing service company is http://dx.doi.org. Okay. Is it possible, sir? How we can find out this kind of the DOI number, sir? Yes, you can just click this. Okay, you see here, I will show it. If you click that particular icon, you can have this kind of browser. Now just wait, I will copy some information. Is it shown? My screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can copy some DOI number. This is my article 1010. Just you press DOI number of my article, just you press go, that's all. It will drive you the original articles, where the original articles actually published. You have to mind it. I am also inform you, if citable journals are chosen by you, up to this stage, 11,805 people are downloaded my articles. In Scopus alone, 100 people are cited only in Scopus indexed journal alone. Okay, this is very, very important. My papers. 4,198 people are viewing online my journal. Okay, so this is the way of downloading your papers in the dx.doi.org. There is a method. Okay, now I want to share my other screen. Is it shared my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DOI object, digital object identifier
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
screen.
Yes, sir.
Now find and verify a journal. Next one is how we can find the another point, verify a journal. How we can find out, verify the journal list. This is impact factor as well as Scopus Index Journal, iagit.org. IA means International RF Journal of Information Technology is the journal name. You can very well easily find out your journals. That is whether this journal having Scopus indexed or Web of Science indexing everything. Okay, this is the point. iOS Press journals, there are various journals are available. indjst.org, Madras, Chennai publication. Journals elsewhere.com, Applied Soft Computing. These are some famous indexing services. Okay. Now, what is UGC list of journals? I already informed you, given, right? I have already given a clear-cut instruction about the UGC, how to find out UGC list of journals. Okay. Now, if you want to download only the computer science journal list, UGC list of journals, you have to click this number. If you want, you can take printout. I already shown. All these informations are shown by me. Only computer science or science journals list. Next, the elsewhere journals. How many journals are? 2,968 journals are available in elsewhere, in which 151 journals are computer science journals. Okay. The red colored journals are very famous journals. Okay. You can find out all these journals, computer science journals, by using this link very easily in elsewhere. Springer journals, 2,700 Springer journals are available, in which 155 computer science journals are available. You can download all the journals by using this link. The red colored journals are very famous for indexing and abstracting services. This is ACM journals, Association for Computing Machinery Journals. Computing reviews, computing survey. Computing reviews is the highly impact factor journal. You have to mind it. Computing reviews. ACM Digital Library itself is a indexing service. That also you have to mind it. IEEE journals. IEEE.org/go/journals. You can very well easily download all the papers. Then iOS Press journals I already informed. Journal of Intelligent Fuzzy Systems, Intelligent Data Analysis, Informatica. This Informatica journal publication frequency is 28 issues per year. If you want to publish, which is Scopus Index journal, Informatica. Scopus Index journal, iospress.nl. You can download 28 issues per year. Therefore, monthly minimum 2 issues. Okay, so 15 days once one issue. So Informatica, that journal in iospress.nl, which is Scopus Index journal. You have to mind it. Journal of Intelligent and Fuzzy Systems are Scopus Index as well as SCI indexed. Now we discuss about various language journals. Journal list subject wise we will discuss. Language, linguistics, literature, French, 19th century French studies. These are all Scopus Index journal alone I have shown you, not other journals. Okay. Now next, for commerce journals, is it possible for finding the commerce journals? Yes, it is possible very easily. International Commerce Review, International Journal of Commerce and Management. These are some 2 journals. I am just for example, easily published journals are given. Then business research oriented, that is MBA, BBA candidates can publish papers in these journals. Accounting and business research quarterly, business research elsewhere. Okay, these are all some journals. Then finance oriented journals, all these are all Scopus Index journals. International Journal of Electronic Finance, International Journal of Finance and Economics are the another kind of finance oriented journals. For biochemistry peoples, some peoples are from Kanyaga Parameswari College itself, some peoples asked me whether all kind of peoples are required to, whether is it possible to register all kind of people. Yes, I informed all kind of peoples. For all kind of peoples alone, I have given this information. Canadian Journal of Biochemistry, Cancer Biochemistry, Biophysics. Then biotechnology journals, critical reviews in biotechnology, computational structural biotechnology journal. Then microbiology journals, current microbiology, environmental microbiology. Most of the journals listed here by me is free journals and Scopus indexed journals. Free journals and Scopus indexed journals. Next, economics, International Journal of Green Economics, Healthcare, Finance and Economics. These are all some in economics journals. These 2 are the example of the statistics journals. International Journal of Quality Statistics and Reliability, Agricultural, Biological and Environmental Statistics. These are all statistics oriented journals. You don't choose any journal which is available in Hindavi publication. Dear participants, if you require to publish your journal article, that is publish your paper in Hindavi publications, minimum $6,000. In Hindavi publications, I am also a member. The name of the journal is Complexity. Runtime Complexity, you know that very well. Complexity is the name of the journal. The cost for publishing your journal article in Hindavi publication in Complexity journal is $2,000. Is it possible? 2,000 into 75, 1,50,000. 1,50,000 minimum amount required in order to publish your articles. Okay, in Hindavi publication. Therefore, you never choose any Hindavi publication journal. It's not possible also. Okay, but they accept your paper within a month. Within 20 days, they will accept your paper. After peer review, within 4 or 5 days, they will accept. sometimes if your paper is written perfectly. Human Resource and Management, HRM journal, Personal Administrator. Physics journal, Flexible and Printed Electronics, Foundations of Physics. Chemistry journal, Frontiers of Chemistry, Future Medicinal Chemistry. Applied Mathematics journal, IANG, International Journal of Applied Mathematics. IANG, International Journal of Computer Science, also available. I am also a member of that IANG member. If you can also add your name in the IANG website, that is society. It is a society. In it you can get a membership number from IANG. You can apply IAENG society. It's a China based society company. Okay, Indian Journal of Pure and Applied Mathematics. This is removed from the what? Scopus. Social network journals. Indian Journal of Social Network, International Social Network, Food and Nutrition journals, Botany journals, Journal of Ethnic Foods, Journal of Applied Botany, Experimental Botany, Nanotechnology and Robotics journals. Nanotechnology and Robotics journals. Journal of Robotics, Hindawi publication, iStage publication. Scopus indexed Indian journals, 2 or 3 journals only are available. Free journals. International Journal of Computer Science and Applications are published in Rajasthan yearly once. Publication of 4 or 5 papers only are accepted. International Journal of Artificial Intelligence is CSIR publications. Okay, published every 6 months once. AKCE in Kalasalinga University, this journal is published in Tamil Nadu yearly once publication. You have identified the different kinds of interscience journals. Interscience.com journal. In interscience journals, if you want to publish your paper, if you want to submit your paper, initially you want to give at least 4 reviewers name, their mail ID in interscience. Not only in interscience, also in iOS Press journals, also in Springer and elsewhere journals, also they are required to given by you. Actually you have to give some reviewers name with their mail ID and their affiliation, everything. So in interscience it is must. Interscience journals, Scopus index journals, impact factor journals are available. Palgrave Macmillan journals are available. 100% all these journals available in Palgrave Macmillan journals, palgravejournals.com, which are impact factor journals. The high impact factor journal is available in Palgrave Macmillan journals. Theoretical Foundations of Computer Science, the journal name is Theoretical Foundation of Computer Science. That is the high impact factor journal in the computer science. Worldscientific.com journals. IAGIT, I already informed. MIT Press journals. Computing and Informatics, Information Technology and Control. These are all limited page charges. Limited pages, no charge. Unlimited, apart from the limit, their number of pages, you have to pay something. Journal of Computational Systems, Innovative Computing and Information Control, International Journal of Computers, Communication and Control. This journal accept only the latex format. Britannica Journal of Science and Technology, Malaysian Journal of Computer Science, everything is available. Okay, Communication, Software and Systems. Limited pages alone are free, and other apart from the limited pages, suppose if your paper exceeds more than 10 pages, for each page they collect money up to 10 pages sometimes, for example, free. The cyber.com Journal of Computer Science, I already shown my paper. American Journal of Applied Sciences. These are all removed from the Scopus list. Medwell journals are removed from the Scopus list. JATIT.org, this is removed. This also removed from the Scopus list. IAENG journals, Scopus index. ComSys journals is Impact Factor journal as well as Scopus journal. Journal of Computer Science and Technology, this is Scopus index journal. Computers and Theory and their applications, this also Scopus index journal. These are all paid journals. Other group of paid journals, Hindavi, online library, that is Wiley.com, Sage Publications, IGLglobal.com, Search Digital Library also have some journals, which are all these are all paid journals. Definitely not possible to publish our Indian papers into these journals, unless otherwise if you are a millionaire, then only it is possible to publish. Okay, sir. Is it possible to find the Scopus index journal list from elsewhere? Yes, if you click this link, you can find out journal list from the elsewhere. Important note, you have to understand there is no impact factor journal in the IEEE. Only IEEE is Scopus indexed. There is no Clarivate Analytics. Yes, Science Citation Index is not available in the IEEE journals. So if you publish your article in IEEE conferences, you should be automatically go to the Scopus, not indexed in Web of Science. That is important. Other journal metrics, what is this, sir? The highly cited Scopus index journal list is given in journalmetrics.com. If we discuss elaborately, if we went to elaborately into this journals, is not possible to discuss all these things. I want to show something about the journals. Journal metrics are available. Simago journal rank and SNIP, source normalized impact factor paper, also available. If you talk about these two, I will talk 1 hour, so it's not possible. There is no time. Then all the computer science journals, if you want to find out, DBLB is the website. dblb.uni-trier.de. If you press this, you can find out all computer science journals. 2.1 million articles are available, only the computer science articles. Okay, the journal search. Suppose if we want to find most cited authors, who is the most cited authors? Han and Camber data mining, also most cited author. Which author is most cited? You can find out from this list. Which journal is the top journal? You can find out Index Copernicus database. It is an indexing service. To find all computer science journals, informatic dot, already I informed. To find Science Direct journal list in the elsewhere. Science Direct journal list is elsewhere journals. Okay, now we are coming into the discussion of the DOAJ. What is DOAJ? Directory of Open Access Journals. You can freely download all the paper which are indexed DOAJ in any journals. Very easy. The users are having rights to read, download, copy, distribute, print, search, or link to the full text of these articles. Those journals which are indexed in DOAJ. Okay, sir. Yesterday, one people asking me a question. What is, sir? Find suitable journal in elsewhere. Suppose journalfinder.elsewhere.com. I am going to this website. Okay. Now you can see here journal finder in elsewhere alone, not in all the journals. If you type your title of the paper, I have some title. Just wait. I have some title. For an example, I will give you. Okay, in this place, my title is entered. You note that evaluation of deep learning models for predicting the support and residence levels in stock market. Here you have to copy the what abstract. The abstract is copied by me. Okay. Keywords are copied by me. Okay. Keywords are copied by me. Now select a field. Which field you want to select? Computer science. That's all. Find journals. They have given some journal name in Elsevier. This paper is suitable to publish in Elsevier journals in expert systems with applications, neurocomputing, computers in biology and medicine, and got like that. Knowledge-based systems, cognitive systems research. These are the journals suggested by the what? Elsevier. Information sciences. What is the site score, impact factor? Everything is available here. You can read out very easily what is the impact factor for each and every journal. Expert systems with applications having the impact factor 5.452 and got like that. So if you type journal finder, there is a method which is available. journalfinder.elsevier.com, right? If you go to this website, then you can type your title, type your abstract, type your keywords. The Elsevier journals given suggestion which journal is suitable to publish your paper. After that, you can submit one of the method. Okay, now we are coming to the end of the session. What are the plagiarism softwares are available? Urgund is referred by the UGC of Indian government. Urgund will never accept the self-citation. Authenticate, plagiarism, okay, plagiarism checker, Grammarly, these are all some Turnitin, these are all some plagiarism softwares available. So we complete our session. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. Okay. Only 10 minutes are available, or we can take more than 10 minutes.
Participants, if you have query, kindly post in the chat box, or you can unmute and you can answer.
Not only in the journal publication, also any questions you can ask about the data analytics, about the research paper publication, about to find out the websites, about how we can able to find out other informations, everything you can ask. Any questions you can ask.
Sir, in general, one question is there, sir.
Yeah.
If we have any doubt regarding research, shall we clear our doubts through your mail, sir?
No, I got mails. You can call me. Sometimes send me. Sometimes, if I have time, I will definitely clear your doubts. But mostly, I am not free. Don't take me mistake. I am always busy. Sometimes only I am free. Okay, every day I am busy. Suppose if you require for publication, you can ask me. I will redirect you to another person for Scopus Index journal, UGC Careless Stuff journal, or Impact Factor journal. Okay, but don't disturb frequently. If emergency, if you want to contact me, you can contact. No problem. My number is available with you. Okay, then we need your presentation to our mail ID. Not possible. Usually I am not given my presentation. Okay, next.
Hello,
This
sir.
the same, just wait, the same informations are available in my YouTube channel itself, by means of various kinds of videos. You can find out very easily. Okay, tell me.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Nice
evening.
presentation, sir. I have a doubt, sir. Where to find these data sets? In the website we can refer the data sets? Number
I
one.
already in the second day itself I informed. In
Okay,
many
sir.
repositories you can find out a data set.
Okay, sir. How to write a novel algorithm, sir? Depending on the
Now
problem.
algorithm, you can combine more than two existing algorithm and then write your create your own algorithm, that is novel algorithm or hybrid algorithm. Combine more than two existing algorithms in the same area, in the same type, in the same category. Then you can write a, get a solution based on your data set. Okay.
Sir, how to refer that, sir? How to write any
Nah, yes,
website for referring that?
there is no website. There is no website in the world.
Okay,
Definitely, I know very well.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me, what's your doubt?
So I'm implementing machine learning algorithm for COVID data set, sir.
Okay.
Is it possible to implement the same model? I'm using some model and implementing with the data set. I am returning a paper. So whether the same model can be applied for some other data set, for example, cancer.
Yes, definitely. More than
And
one data set is allowed to test your model. More than one model is allowed
whether the
to
paper
test a
can be
single database. Yes,
published.
yes, allowed. More than
So
one
we
data
put
set
it as
is,
a different papers or it should be in the
yeah,
same
yeah, yes. You have to publish different papers by means of different papers. The previous paper is used the data set so and so for the model, ABC model, for example. The current paper uses another data set in order to test the quality of the model. You can publish like, no problem.
Okay.
Then,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Good
you.
evening, sir.
evening.
Sir, I'm just registered for PhD, sir. Machine learning is my domain, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, is there any way of just learning all the machine learning algorithms basically, sir? I'm just doing literature survey now.
Yeah.
There are a lot of basic algorithms, right, sir? Is there any way of learning, like how they have applied those algorithms? அது எப்படி அப்படின்னு ஏதாவது கத்துக்கிறதுக்கு any sites are there or
kdnuggets.com.
KD Nuggets, sir?
.com.
Okay, so we can learn how to apply the
Yeah,
algorithms.
they given a clear cut explanation about the data analytics oriented learning algorithm, artificial intelligence, database, data mining.
Okay, sir.
There are various concepts are available. Gigs
Okay.
for gigs. Another one is gigs for gigs.
Geeks for geeks.
GEEKS for
GEEK. Okay, sir.
GEEKS. Gigs
Okay,
for,
sir.
that is gigs for gigs.
Okay, sir.
Gigs.com.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You can
Okay.
go to that site.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Then, any other doubt? if you are really listen my webinar, you must get more doubts, right? Not, sir.
Sir, the Geeks for Geeks is for MCQ question pattern like that, sir.
Everything is available. Tutorial also available.
Okay, fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Tutorialspoint.com.
Okay, okay.
Tutorialspoint.com. This also available.
Fine, sir. Fine, fine.
Sir, one more question, sir. Any journal for Tamil?
In the languages, in the UGC referred list, languages journals are available. 2 or 3 journals are available only for Tamil, for Scopus Index. Yes, I know very well. I will give you who asking that Tamil journals. The Geeks for Geeks.
Yes, Radhika ma'am, sir.
.org is given. In the chat box, Geeks for Geeks website is given. You can verify. Not clear. Not clear. Yes, tell me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, is there any particular website for COVID data,
Sir,
sir?
as the today's sessions will be hosted in the YouTube, sir.
Yes, yes. Otherwise, the same kind of informations are available in my YouTube. My YouTube link is given in the chat box itself. You can see there
Okay, okay.
by Sridevi PC.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, in my YouTube channel, how to improve H index and citation index, everything is available. More than 70 videos are available. You can find out most of the articles, machine learning algorithms, what are the basic
In
methods of
IoT also, sir.
yeah.
Sir, regarding in IoT also it is present, sir.
Yes. 2 or 3 IoT videos are available. IoT, ubiquitous computing, cloud computing, and computational intelligence methods. Many things are available. You can verify. In computational intelligence methods, technologies, in which also most of the machine learning algorithms are discussed by me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yes.
Is there any particular website COVID-19 data set for research?
No particular website for COVID-19. In Elsevier company itself, they published some COVID data set. In the Elsevier company itself, they published. There is no particular COVID data set website. Okay. Any other doubt?
Participants, if you have doubt, kindly post in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
You can unmute yourself. You can talk with me directly. No problem. So I want one question from the audience. I want answer from the question from the audience for my question. How much you are all satisfied within this 5 days? How much percentage? Openly you can inform me.
More than 90%, sir.
No, not like that.
Why, sir?
If it is a 60-70%, I accept it.
No,
Because
sir.
if
Really,
I want
I'm
to,
saying that so far, the
if I
previous
want to deliver,
the impact factors of calculation, we didn't know that. Now
Yeah.
we came to know those things.
Hmm.
And as well as the Titan index of journals of calculations also were learned from you, sir.
okay, that is a very small thing.
Sir, that is most of the people, those who are presented as a search journalist persons, research scholar or guide, they are saying some index journals and everything. But
Yeah.
regarding the index calculations and how the citations calculations, they are generally taking over from the Google form and put over the graph what it is available.
Yes,
But
yes, Nirmal Raj. Is it right? Nirmal Raj is spoken, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Really,
definitely.
I'm appreciating this today class of session is very, very useful, sir.
But
Regarding from the
one
research
thing,
side
Mr.
also.
Dr. Nirmal Raj,
Yes, sir.
one thing you have to understand.
Hmm.
For 1.5 years alone, I prepare this slide. If you
Okay, sir.
given me 5 days only for journal
Sir,
publication, I will
you can
take.
taken more effort, sir. That too, I am saying that the effort is more.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
as for gathering the collection of data in a short duration of time, while conducting this type of webinar, most of them can easily able to learn more than of
Yes,
searching and learning and going through that understanding, and it will be take much more time. So
yes,
this short
definitely.
duration make us to understand more. That is, they'll be say some 20% of documentation in software. You'll be say no, we can easily able to learn 80%. In certain way, we learn certain information from the how to research and how to publications and what are the journals available, free journals and a DOI and everything. It is very innovatively presented today.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Some
Thank you, sir.
people are say 70%, some people are 100%. 100%, I am not accepted up to 70%. Okay, it's because why I am inform you that much a percentage means I can deliver. I have some many ideas about this journal publications. I am not given as per my knowledge only 10 to 20% of my whatever the information known by me is delivered to you. That's why I am asking this question.
Without taking rest, without even taking over for a cup of water itself, you are going on continuously speaking, sir.
Only 20% of the journal information alone are delivered by me, whatever it is known by me about the journals.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, up to my knowledge. Lot of informations are available.
Yes, yes.
So one more thing also I want to inform you all. If you upload your papers in social medias, okay, like ResearchGate and DNA, Live DNA, PubMed, there are Kudos, there are various social media websites are available. They will give you some free publication in the reputed journals after monitoring your articles by more than 2-3 years. For example, I want to show now my mail ID. Okay, my mail ID have I got one free publication in the Asian Journal of Science and Technology. I think just I will show you. Today I got mail. I am avails one free publication in the Asian Journal. Can my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
You can see here Live DNA is one of the social website. Okay, Live DNA is one of the social website. You can read out the content. Do you know, as a member of Live DNA, you are entitled to publish a manuscript in the Asian Journal of Engineering Research free of cost. And because of for more than 10 years, I am the member in this website livedna.net. Just I will show my records in Live DNA. Okay, this is it. Most of you are not known about the Live DNA website. Only 69 articles is uploaded by me because of I am unable to enter all my articles in this website. I have no time. Also, only the articles which are having DOI number alone are accepted and by this Live DNA. You have to understand, only the articles which are available in the journals, the journals which are having cross reference means DOI number. The DOI number is produced by Crossref indexing service. If I press this link, definitely that this my paper automatically we can download. That is important. Okay. So this is my profile only in the live DNA website. If you have your latest DOI number, latest publication of your paper DOI number, if you enter and just submit, that paper will be published in the DOI number. Each and every paper must have DOI number, and the direct link also in the website link, direct link also available. Journal direct link, wherever the paper is available in the journal website, it will go. There are various informations are available, like it's not possible live DNA, crew kudos, researchgate, academia.edu. Academia.edu is also another one website. Don't just you log in, create your login in academia.edu. Automatically the papers which are uploaded in researchgate are taken into account in the academia.edu. That also verified. That if you want to inform about the journals publications, about social media, I will talk more than 10 hours. Not possible. That's why I am inform you, within this 1.5 year, I deliver only 10 to 20% of my knowledge about the journals. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
So there is 2 more questions, sir.
Yeah.
How much impact factor is good or best for publishing journals?
Minimum 0.001. Right? Minimum 0.001.
Okay.
They will give. Impact factor is enough. If it is indexed for impact factor journals, it's enough. It's enough. Don't consider how much impact factor. Highly available impact factor journals are not easy to accept your paper. For example, elsewhere accept easily your papers, the science papers, but it will take time, 1 year, minimum 6 months. Springer quickly accept your paper, but your paper is very tough to accept by the Springer. The quality must be verified in your paper by the Springer journals. Quality is little bit considered in elsewhere journals, but elsewhere taken more time. Springer considered only the quality papers. Okay. Next.
How to collect real-time data in agriculture IoT? Any possible, sir?
In the website itself, there are various agricultural. Just you first content alert. I already 2-3 days when I informed, I don't know. Content alert you have to given. For example, Springer, elsewhere, iOS Press, and other kind of InterScience paper journals, other kind of journals, you must subscribe a journal and register your mail ID. Entering your mail ID, you have to register. Make a content alert. If any issues published in a particular journal, then all the content should be delivered to you, sent to your mail ID. Whether my research scholars known or not, I don't know. Most of them are available in this webinar. Content alert கொடுத்திருக்கறேனா உங்களுக்கு ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணிருக்கறேனா?
Yes sir.
தினகரன்.
Yes sir.
நிறைய content alert கொடுத்திருக்கறேன். அதெல்லாம் free articles are available. You can easily download. Okay. Which is accepted journal in Scopus or Scopus indexed for publication of research papers for research scholars? What is this question? Which is accepted journal means you can find your Scopus indexed journal. Okay. So for example, if you want, I will show you. Just wait. Just wait. I will show some. My screen shown by you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is Scopus Index journal list, October 20. Okay. Starting from the first journal, end with the 40,806 journals are available, right? How is it possible, sir? Yes, I can. 40,805 journals are available. Okay, in Scopus Index. Now, I want to find a journal. I want to find a journal. Journal of Computer Science, for example. We can find whether the Journal of Computer Science is indexed in Scopus. Yes, IANG, International Journal of Computer Science. Journal of Computer Science is the phrase. So you can easily find out whether it is active or not. Okay, in this you can find your journal. Next findings, Indian Journal of Computer Science and Engineering. நான் ஒன்று சொல்றதுக்கு மறந்துட்டேன். இந்த ஜேர்னல் வந்து வேற எங்கேயும் இல்லை, வண்டலூர்ல பப்ளிஷ் ஆகுது. They require minimum 25,000 and go like that. I spoke to the owners. They are not accept for the minimum amount. Indian Journal of Computer Science and Engineering. It's a Scopus indexed journal published in Tamil Nadu near Otteri near Vandalur. Okay, youngjournals.com is the website. You can easily identify. Young Journals publications, engineering journals publication. Here, you can very well easily find out. This is Scopus Index journals. At minimum 25,000 they require. You can find out another journals. Okay, Journal of International Computer Science and Applications. Computer Science and Sport. Journal of Computer Science. I am the editorial board member of this journal. Okay, so like you can find out yourself the journal name. For example, language, literature, any journal you can find out very easily. Malaysian Journal of Computer Science is Scopus indexed. Okay, so once again if you find out, it will go first. So easily you can easily find out your journals, right? Any other question?
Sir, how do we identify the fake journal, sir?
It's not possible. Original website alone you can find out what is the original website. Suppose if it is Scopus indexed, in the Scopus sites itself, site score and website addresses are given for all journals which are indexed in Scopus. Go to the Scopus database, find the journals, and then verify your journal is available in the Scopus list or not. Only you have to go to journal site, Scopus database alone. Just wait, I will give you some informations. www. Now I went to Scopus list. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
just type scopus.com. Okay, here you have to download Scopus source list. If you press this link, you can download whatever I shown, the Excel sheet, that book list, content coverage guide, everything is available. Suppose if you want to search your name in the Scopus, Velmurugan, last name, first name, affiliation, DG Vaishnava College, just you search, that's all. Other search, in the place of other search, you can search 38 articles are published in Scopus. Only 38 is very less. Actually, more than 60 journals are published in Scopus. They are eliminated. Okay, all these papers you can see here, right? This is the original website, one point. Now, suppose if you want to search a journal here, you can search journal search. Journal search also available. There are various link are available. You can search by using journal RCID ID. By using RCID ID, journal's ISS number, you can search. Go to the instructions. Scopus API, Scopus Black, what is Scopus, and go to like the help. In the help side, you can go to many informations. You can find many informations in this website. It's not, it's a time, for the time sake, I am not enter, inform all this in you. Okay, next. Any other question?
So till now, no questions, sir.
No other questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for what? Patiently listening my words. Sometimes I'm very hard. I'm using some kind of very hard words. Yesterday, one people asking me about how to collect data sets. Are I informed you can collect from your enemy also. Is that right? Sonnana?
Yes, sir.
How we can collect data set? I will give you explanation. It's not a joke. If you do your research in the sentiment analysis based on the behavior pattern of humans, emotional mining is one of the topic in the sentiment analysis. You can go and meet your enemy. You have to give a tension to your enemy. Take a photo or take a video, how his face is changed time to time, second to second. How his face changed time to time, second to second. Get a video and take a photo or take a photo. Using the emotional mining technology, you can analyze it. Right? Okay. I'm not joking. Right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Right.
Participants, any of you willing to give feedback on FTP? Please. I repeat, any of the participants is willing to give feedback on FTP?
Good evening, sir. Shri Prada here.
Good evening.
Thank you so much, sir. All these 5 days, all these sessions, the 5 days were very interesting. And the introduction to R was very good. And I mean, no doubt, the way you have expressed the options for people, researchers like me, I mean, thanks and hats off to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right.
Good evening, dear
Good evening.
organizers and the resource person. First of all, I congratulate the organizers for the wonderful organization. Every day, the session starts exactly on time, and but ending time is exceeds based on the inputs and queries from the participants. And I special thanks to the resource person for a splendid time, neat explanation, and a related PowerPoint presentation, and sudden postage of YouTube linkage for further reference. All days, the sessions were very useful and informative for the researchers. So just I want to quote this because while you are asking about the percentage, it is not a matter of percentage. Many times we people hesitate to ask the doubts regarding the research, and we feel whether it is a simple or a difficult, whether it can be asked from the people or from the colleague or to whom we can clarify likewise. But this 5 days session, we got so many informations which is motivate us to do further, to give more effort, and which will give us more motivation to continue the research more effectively, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. First, I would like to thank for inviting me as a resource person to deliver my informations to you all, to all the participants. Thank you. Can I leave?
Sir.
What about any other thing available?
Sir, please, sir. 1 minute.
And recording going on. Thank you for the organizing committee also,
Thank you, sir.
the SKPC college.
Sharda?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I?
Yes,
ma'am?
start.
Recording off பண்றங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் பேசுங்க.
See, proposing the vote of thanks, sir.
Vote of thanks இருக்கா?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Just tell me. Yes, you can proceed.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, sir. Good evening to one and all. Gratitude is the best attitude. Gratitude opens the door to the power, the wisdom, and the creativity of the universe. It's time to show our gratitude to all. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our management, honorable correspondent sir, respected principal ma'am, and estimate vice principal ma'am for their continuous support and encouragement in all endeavors. I extend my special thanks to our resource person, Dr. T. Velmurugan sir, for his valuable presence and making this session successful. Also, I thank all staff of our department for their support. Last but not least, I thank our participants from various colleges for making this event a grand success. Our principal and vice principals wanted to join today due to some personal reasons they were not able to. They sent a message to thank the resource person and to all the participants. Thank you for all joining and supporting us. I wish and pray for all to be safe and healthy. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very well.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Right.
Sharda, stop recording, sir.
Okay. One second.
Post the attendance and feedback forms, Sharda.
Okay.
நிறைய பேர் கேக்குறாங்க பாத்துங்க.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Attendance and feedback.
Yes, sir. We shall, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
leave
sir.
ஆகலாமாண்ணா?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank
Thank you,
you. Yeah.